Okay guys, just very quickly, just to show you something on MT5 for Casper. Salute to you. Just flick this over while I'm finishing off a quick trade tonight. Currently short in gold. Probably be closing it off soon. Done very well with this today, as you can see. So this account is screaming forward. The question was, how do you switch the P&L off on MT5? It's very simple. If I switch that off, if you come up here and you've got your toolbox to switch that on, now you get that from your symbols up here, or you go into the view and you click toolbox, Control T. Get hold of this, get hold of your columns, and just switch the profit off. And then there you go. Now, a good thing to do is leave the change on, and then that way you'll be able to see whether your trade is in profit or not without seeing any P&L. And that way, you know it's blue, it's fine. You know it's red, you've got to hold on to it a little bit longer, etc. But you're not seeing the monetary figures. And then if you want to get back into it, if you right click, come up onto bulk operations, you can then close from this section here, or of course just switch your profit on and see what you're after. Now I'll be switching this off when it hits about 20 quid. Hope that helps. Catch you soon.